One of the common faults we can get with boilers is that they can lose pressure. So what we need to do is periodically just check to make sure that the boiler's got enough pressure in it, looking at the pressure gauge. Now looking at our boiler here, our pressure is too low. Where it should be is up between the 1 and the 2, about 1.5 bar. Now on this particular model, to top the pressure up, what we will need is we'll need a key that comes supplied with when the boiler was fitted. And what we do is we take the key and we put it in the manifold underneath. Once it's in, you turn it to the right to lock it in, and then you undo the knob just to the left, which will then put mains water in, and as you can see our pressure gauge is rising. So when the pressure gets up between 1 and 2, about 1.5, then we can start to turn it back off, and then we just take the key out in reverse. So we slightly turn it to the left and then put it down. What you do is you always get a drip of water come out, so just be very careful to make sure there's no electrical equipment underneath.